In this video, we're going to show you how to create your first client. Let's get right into it. As you can see, we're on the main page now. So let's sign in. And what we see, first of all, is your dashboard. So it looks pretty empty. Obviously, we've just created our account, and we obviously need to add a client. So what we'll do here is we click projects, we click clients. We have no clients. And let's create a client. Obviously, this is not the final design version, so we should be change that and make it more compact for the final design. But the main idea is there. So let's create a first account. Client name. Let's put my name here. Primary contact name if you need to. So sometimes you. If it's like a real estate agency and you register as a real estate, and then you need to put like a prime contact, someone else that not the actual client. So, but yeah, that's optional. My number in, my email, okay, that's all good. And see, that's a create a new lead job. Automatically create a new job for this client. So that's the we'll then create a job as well, but we don't need that for now. We're just creating a new client. ABN again, if your client has the ABN, if you need that for your tax purposes, you can put that in notes. Again, you can put some notes in. Again, if it's a real estate agency, you can put some notes in that, okay, key collection from this and this time to this time. So that's all. Again, it's all optional. You don't need to fill all this. We're not going to do that. We're just creating a client. So let's say we got a lead from like email or from the phone call, and we need to put them in the system. So, and we want to make it very basic. So name, phone, email. That's all we need for now. Then we add client. We have a client. So see, we have no sites. To finish off the sites, we need to go for the site, add site, choose the client that we've picked. And now we can type the address, and it picks up straight away. You don't need to type it full in. And again, notes like, so we have a note, we have the address here. No thanks. And basically, yeah. So now you have your once it's updated, you will have your client details basically created here now. That's your client registration. Very simple. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Again, we're trying to build it with you. That's why we're doing all these videos, so you can help us build a perfect flooring app for everyone else out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.